Alright, hold on. Okay, John just tried. Now it's James's first taste of carrots. He's not really sure what to think of it.
It's actually smoother than their cereal.
Yeah. He's like convulsing.
Do you like it? You don't do that with your cereal. Alright, Daddy's gonna have to feed you in a minute because I gotta feed your brother. I think your brother likes it. We gotta feed him more. Do you want more carrots?
Yeah, we're gonna watch him for a little bit longer.
Do you like carrots?
Yeah, he likes it. Oh, nice face, John. Gag. Oh.
Do you want more? Little bites, huh? You like little bites?
His eyebrows are too funny.
You have a lot of expressions, John. Did your eye just twitch?
This video is gonna be so shaky because I keep laughing.
Gotta have more.
All right.